Hey there! Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. My name's Laura and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a slip stitch. Let's slip and slide on into it. Alright, so you're here, you've got one loop on your hook and you're about to start your slip stitch. You're going to insert your hook into the stitch that you want and you're going to draw up a loop. So now you've got two loops on your hook. You're going to take that loop that you just pulled up and you're just going to bring it through that existing loop on your hook that we started with. So now you've just got the one loop on your hook and you've got a completed slip stitch. Okay, so I'm going to show you that again. Going to insert, draw up a loop, almost like you would a single crochet, but instead of yarning over and pulling through, you're just going to pull that loop right on through. I'm going to show you that again one more time in slow motion. So that's how you slip stitch. This will actually be the last basic stitch that I'll show for the Crochet Basics playlist. I'm going to be getting into some different techniques. I'm going to show you how to make something from start to finish, making longer, more in-depth tutorials on certain topics that some people tend to struggle with. Hit the subscribe button so you can stay tuned and meet me back here next week for another tutorial. Take care.